in my life.
I tell you. How's the watermelon?
Good?
Sweet?
Mm-hmm.
So it's a rainy day today, but you know, we came up to the forest
Dad, you
too,
can't look what I'm doing.
and we're gonna be doing some artwork.
This is gonna be fun.
I told the children they can look for something in the forest that they find interesting and they can paint it. So we're gonna see what they're gonna do.
You don't know why oh, so you don't know why I didn't take it off and put and found another one? Blue. Because I'm getting big.
Oh, I need some white for the clouds.
The sun's flying for the storm. We better stay inside to keep the weather. Can I see your drawing? Wow, beautiful.
Well, we're in the rainforest, and this is our home in the rainforest. check this spider out, guys.
The spider?
Right here. Right here.
Oh my god, it's a big one. Oh my god, that's a big tarantula. It's a waterfall. I thought the bird was down here or something. Not here. It's doing great.
What's up, guys?
Right.
What are we doing today?
Hiking through the forest, hiking through the forest.
It's like, well,
You're not afraid.
1 step, 2 steps,
3 steps forward.
forward. Walking through the forest. Wiggle! Wiggle! Over there. Come on, just keep on going.
The forest is wet today, ain't it?
Yeah. And also it's really high.
It was a rainy day today. And once the rain falls, it means the water is gonna raise, the water is gonna get high. So we're excited about that. Woo! Woo-wee! 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 Look at this. Woo!